Flexi-Patch from DiversiTech is an easy-to-use, flexible repair patch that is ideal for repairing almost any surface. It installs quickly to repair a damaged area and creates a permanent patch. Flexi-Patch is a fiberglass-reinforced polyester patch seal for use on PVC, plastics, metal, wood, concrete, and more. The patch dries hard and can handle up to 500 psi when dry. To apply, make sure the area is dry and trim the patch to the size needed to cover the damaged area. Leave at least 1/2 inch overlap around the repair site. Then peel off the backing and press the patch firmly into place. Once in place, peel off the front layer to expose the patch to UV light and begin drying it. If you are outside, the sun will dry the patch in just a few minutes. If you are using the patch away from sunlight, then simply use a portable UV light to cure the patch. Pass the UV light over the surface for 5 to 10 minutes and you're all set. Flexi-Patch is weather and UV resistant when dry and temperature safe from -30 degrees Fahrenheit to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't replace it, patch it permanently with Flexi-Patch from DiversiTech. You can find it at your local DiversiTech distributor.